Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Jeep Patriot. Stock number is A6950. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. You have a rear backup camera on the back as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Patriot on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.